Hey, this is Suraj, salesperson of the Plowman team. Today I'm very excited to show you 838 Krosno Boulevard right here in Pickering. Let's check it out. As you walk in, you're greeted by this open concept layout, beautifully designed kitchen. Look at the size of this island. All newly renovated flooring, painting, pot lights, and it flows seamlessly into the family room. Now let's check out the bedrooms. On the main floor, we have 3 spacious bedrooms, all fully renovated, freshly painted with pot lights and a 4-piece washroom. Let's check out the basement. So the basement is fully finished, has a separate entrance, and guess what? It has 3 bedrooms also, and a 3-piece washroom. This was Suraj, salesperson from the Plowman team. If this 3+3 bedroom in Pickering caught your interest, give us a call at the number above. You want to see similar listings? Please subscribe below. See you at the next one.